Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to showing you around the approved used Land Rover Defender 90 D300 75th Limited Edition. This vehicle features a 3-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the absolutely wonderful Grasmere Green. Let's start our journey from the front of this Defender, where we will find the Matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead. Cascading down the side, we will see further contrasting features, all courtesy of the black exterior pack, such as the black roof rails, the black wing mirrors and the black bonnet louvers, as well as further black Defender badges, as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch Grasmere Green alloys. Venturing to the rear, you'll also notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. You'll also notice here the 75th Limited Edition badges. Opening the power tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a weekend's worth of luggage. Looking to our left, you'll also notice easy to access controls for your electrically deployable tow bar, as well as your electronic air suspension, which I'm sure will intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with their ebony resist seats, as well as their own climate control systems, which they can both tailor to their own individual preferences. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated and cooled electric memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. As we now take a closer look at the view that greets the driver, you'll see your leather-heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of functions at your disposal, such as your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your sat-nav. In front of you, you'll see your heads-up display, which can be seen here by my finger. Advancing over to your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which, as you can see, is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your 3D surround camera and your 360 parking aid, which will ensure parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. You'll further be able to access your electrically deployable tow bar from within your screen, as well as your heated and cooled seat functions and your climate control and air quality sensor. Looking down, you'll further be able to access climate control systems, as well as further vehicle terrain response systems and further vehicle dynamics. As we now look down into the centre console, where you'll see easy to access USBs for compatible devices, twin cup holders, and looking down into the centre, you'll see your wireless charging and your front centre console refrigerator compartment. To finalise our journey, we look up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Defender 75th Limited Edition, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team.